Hey there, today I'll show you how to use Zego with Uber Eats. First, confirm that you have active insurance coverage with Zego that is suitable for delivery work. Zego typically offers pay-as-you-go insurance specifically designed for gig economy and delivery drivers. Link Zego insurance with Uber Eats. Contact Zego to ensure that your insurance is properly linked or compatible with Uber Eats. They may provide specific instructions or documentation that needs to be submitted to ensure proper coverage. Log into your Uber Eats driver account, check the app or the driver portal for any specific options related to insurance. Uber Eats may have a section where you can input or verify your insurance details. Ensure that your Zego insurance meets the local regulations and requirements for delivery drivers in your area. Different regions may have specific insurance requirements for gig economy workers. If you encounter any issues or have specific questions about using Zego insurance with Uber Eats, reach out to the support teams to both Zego and Uber Eats for assistance. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give a like.